for attack and tacking. That jib isn't quite rolled properly in us. Yeah, okay. Smells the camera.
Keep tacking in the end. Come on, the javelin! Can't behind you.
It's the Barts Bash Andrew Simpson event, and Bart Simpson was a person that unfortunately passed away in an America's Cup boat. They decided they would commemorate that and basically give the sailing clubs around the world an opportunity to go for a Guinness World Record here at Carsington Sailing Club. We wanted to do that, so the 21st of September 2014 we have held what we think is our biggest ever event at Carsington with our own club membership. We've never had 94 of our own club boats sailing here at any one point in time. So to be able to see that maximum range of people doing their first race ever to some of the people that have won national championships, which we're sailing today, out on the waters for enjoying the space in one go is amazing. We've got people from the age of 4 through to the age of somebody who's 84. So I think if sailing doesn't, and that was what Bart Simpson was all about. He was about accompanying all of the age groups enjoying this, what we consider as a fantastic sport of sailing.